I'd like to introduce you to an amazing piece of golf technology. It's called high definition golf. It's an incredible apparatus that's able to do so many things, and I'm going to get into them with you in just a moment. The system operates from a very easy to use touchscreen interface. There's a wide variety of things that you can do. One is play, and this is really fun. I'm going to just pull up Cabo, and there's a golf course you can play. The scorecard, you can pick your tee, really cool. If you'd like to work on your game, there's a wide variety of practice situations that you can use. I love to practice, so when you touch practice, you're able to go to these different areas, closest to the pin, club comparison, which is an easy way to fit your golf clubs, driving range, putting green, and chipping. So if I go to driving, I'm on a driving range, and I can pick any driving range I'd like to go to. It's really cool. So let's go to dynamic driving. The system measures every aspect of your golf club and your swing. Let me demonstrate by hitting a fade for you. And we'll go over and take a look at that. So when I go to shot data, I can look at everything, all the parameters that I need to know. I can see the distance that the ball went. I can see the club head speed. I can see the club path, which was slightly out to in, which gives me that fade shot. The face angle was 3 degrees open, so that combination is going to give me a nice fade. My impact position was center. The shot type, slight fade. Now I'm going to hit a draw. So it's a slight different setup. Let's go over and look at that draw. Now the first thing I see with the draw is it went a lot further, so that's very important. Quite a bit further than that fade I hit before. I can look at the club head speed, which is going to be very similar, the horizontal angle, the club path, club face angle. My club face to hit the draw was closed, 5 degrees closed. My swing now was in to out. The swing before was out to in. My impact position was on the center of the face, which I always want to have, and the shot type, draw. If you're in the mood for competition, the system has it. Let me show you. I push on competition, and I can play these different competitive drill games, closest to the pin, driving, putting and chipping, and skills. But this is really serious practice. You can also make it fun, but this is really something you can work on your game. Let me show you with closest to the pin. I'm just going to go to one of my favorite holes in golf, and that would be at Pebble Beach. What a phenomenal picture this is. It's so realistic. You can play the 7th hole at Pebble Beach and have a closest to the pin contest. The system has some fun games as well, and I really enjoy this part. Kind of for kids, but not really, or maybe I'm just a big kid, but I love doing the break the windows. There's a number of really cool things here on games, and you have a bunch of things you can pick right here. Here's breaking the windows. I particularly like that. You kind of go for different windows and try to break them. Really works on your curves, hitting the ball high and low. Really cool thing. I love the game section. Now we get to the integrated professional teaching part of high definition golf, and this is really my forte. So let's push professional, and when we get to professional, we have these 5 different areas. Equipment compare, you can compare any drivers. Club fitting, that's your whole set. Swing analysis, you get to look at your video. Swing dynamics, you get to look at the tempo of your golf swing and more. And then my favorite part, the 8-step swing, that's the book I wrote, the DVDs I've done, and I do a in-depth piece on the different sections of your swings, including drills. Here's a really cool part of high definition golf, and that's the ability to play tournament golf. And you can play tournaments with the people in your family, you can play tournaments with somebody in your country, or you can play tournaments with people around the world. It actually allows you to play famous golf courses, great golf courses, with other players anywhere, anytime. The last button I have here is called the Player's Locker, and this is an area where you can go look at your stats, and I'm talking about comprehensive stats. You can check all of your rounds, you can look at your club fitting stats, You can look at your swing videos. Also, you have the ability to upload and download your golf swing, and you can put that in on the internet. You can correspond with your teacher with this. It's a really impressive area, somewhere where you have all of your stats. HD Golf pioneered computer vision technology, making it the most accurate simulator on the market today. There's really no system like it. If you want to take your game to the next level, HD Golf.